only one value satisfies the given equation, or only one value means that it will be the root of the equation. But what about that of the solution of a linear equation in two variables? Here we have two variables, that of the x and y, suppose, right? A solution means a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfies the given equation. So let us consider one equation. So let us find out how many solutions we get for the two variables. So we have here 2x plus 3y equals to 12. This is an equation I have taken over here. So let us see how many solution it gives. Suppose x is equals to 2 and that of the y is equals to 3. Let us put over here. So after putting it, whether it satisfies the given equation or not, let us see. So 2 into 2, x value I have put here 2 plus 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 4 equals to what? Is equals to 13. Right? So likewise we got. Now can we call it? Now this 13 we will compare with that of the 12. Can we call it as this is an solution of an equation? No. But when I will take 2x plus 3y equals to 12, for this x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 2. So let us see that of the what value we get. Or we will take here x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Right? So let us see what we will get. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equals to that of the 12 we get or not. Let us see. Right? We will write afterwards. Only LHS we will solve. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, and which is equals to RHS. Means what we will say, that is 3 and 2, those one are the satisfies the given equation, right? Or are the solution of the equation. So do we get only, means this value, can we consider that these are the only solution of the equation? No. Let us take some other values for the x and y. Suppose x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4. Let us take. Right? So 2x plus 3y equals to 12. I'll write here 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4 equals to 12. So that of 3 4s are 12 equals to 12 and 2 zeros are 0 only. Means when we take 0, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4, that time also we get solution of a equation. Right? और एक value देखते हैं whether it satisfies this or not. So let us take x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 0. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. तो x की जगह पर 6 लिखते हैं प्लस 3 into y equals to 12. 2 6 are 12 plus 3 zeros are 0 and equals to 12. So 12 plus 0 is 12 equals to 12. Means LHS equals to RHS we are getting. So this value is also satisfying the given equation. Right? Means what? Whatever the value we are substituting over here, so we get what? More than one solutions. Right? Na? So what we will say, for this solution of a linear equation in two variables, do we get unique solution? No. We get unique solution only for what? Linear equation in one variable. So we will say that a linear equation in two variable has what? Infinitely many solutions. If you go on solving likewise, if you are taking here different values, try it. Take a different values and see whether it satisfies this or not. So we will get what? I'll write here a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. This word is important. Infinitely many solutions. What is this one? Means we are not getting only single value. So solution of an equation is written in the form. How we will write? When I get x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2, after substituting this value, I'll get, I just want to write the solution of that equation. So that solution is written in the pair. So we write x first and y value say afterwards, right, in a bracket. So x value we will write that of the 3 and y value we will write that of the 2. Right. So 3, 2 is the solution of the equation. Similarly, I'll write here that of the x, when I put x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4, that time it satisfies. So I'll write first x value 0 and that of the y value 4. So 0 and 4 are the solution of the equation. What is this one? So let us see that of the exercise 4.2, very first question. So first question, which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has, we are just going to pick up one correct option, right? So a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. What do you think? What will be the, for this equation, which option will be the correct one? As here what? That of the third option is correct. What is that? Infinitely many solutions. Why? Why also we are going to write? Because for every value of x, there is a solution for the y. We will write for every value of x, for every value of x, there is corresponding value of y, there is corresponding value of y and vice versa. Means what? Whenever you are not going to solve, we are not going to show it by solving. I am just showing you how we have infinitely many solutions. Right now only we have seen that of the with the example. Let us see one more time. Y is equals to 3x plus 5. Suppose this is, we are just going to find out what, do we have that infinitely many solutions or not. As we have that of the two variables, it is confirmed. Means it is what? Linear equation in two variable. Right now only we have seen it has many solutions, infinitely many solutions. So when you are taking x value over here, suppose x is equals to 1. So y value what you will get? That 3 into 1 plus 5. Right? 3 ones are 3 plus 5. 8. So y what you got? 8 when you substitute 1. So we will write that of 1 and 8 are the solution of the equation. Similarly, you can put x value another one. Let us put 0. So when x is equals to 0, तो जब x equals to 0 है, तो what we will get y value. So 3 into 0 plus 5. 3 zeros are 0 plus 5. Right? So we got here 5. So y value we got 5. When what? X is equals to 0 we substituted. So 0 and 5, those one values which satisfying the equation. Right? Similarly, you can take many that of the values over here. Let us take minus 1. So y is equals to 3 into minus 1 plus 5. Y is equals to minus 3 plus 5. So we will get 2. So y is equals to 2. Got it? So when what? When we have taken x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 and 2, these are the values. Got it, this one? So likewise, we have infinitely many solutions. So that's why we have written here every value of x, there is corresponding value of y. So whenever we put a value of x, that time corresponding value we get, and vice versa. Suppose you are putting y value, that time you will get x value. Understood? I hope that you have understood this one. Let us proceed with the question number 2. So let us see this one. Second one I have written that write the 4 solutions for each of the following equations. The 4 solutions we are going to write it down. Now while writing those 4 solutions, what we are just going to do here, x, either x value or y value we are going to put. So instead, see, first of all find out the variable which is attached with that of the coefficient, right? तो अगर coefficient already है तो and the another variable, if it is simply variable it is there, that time what you do, the put the value of variable which is that of given with the coefficient. Got it? So what I will do here, put or when x is equals to 0. Why I have chosen x only? Because it will be easier to find out that of the y value. As I told you now only. So x value 0 if I taken, because pi is the here coefficient of x. So let us put, after putting this x, what value we get for the y. So pi into 0, this is pi into 0 plus y is equals to 9. So pi zeros are 0 plus y equals to 9. So therefore y is equals to 9. Right? So that for solution of an equation is what? We will write x 0, 9 is the solution of an equation. This is first we have found out. One more let us take. अब x is equals to 0 किया था. Now you can take x is equals to, put x is equals to 1 by pi, or that of we will take that of the 1 upon pi, or simply you just take beta x is equals to simply 1, take it. We will start first 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, likewise we can take. So x is equals to 1. So pi, write it down, pi into 1 plus that of the y is equals to 9. Now this pi is multiplied with the 1. So pi ones are pi plus y is equals to 9. Remember that we are just finding out y value, right? So y we will keep one side and this pi we will transpose. So 9 minus pi, right? So this is the another solution we got. So when we have put 1, at that time 9 minus pi, that is the value we got. So is the solution of an equation. Second we have find out the third way, right? So this is second we have found, this is first. Now third one we will find out, because 4 solutions we are going to find out. No. Now let us take x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 we have taken here. So that time pi multiply with the minus 1. Every time we are using this equation and we are putting x value equals to minus 1 now, right? Plus here we are going to multiply these two, plus y is equals to 9. Now pi into minus 1 is what? Minus pi, plus y equals to 9. Now y we are going to find, no, so y we will keep left side and pi we will transpose, so it becomes plus pi. Got it? So this is the value. So first we write always x value and then y value. 9 plus pi is the solution of an equation. Third value we have found out. Now let us find out fourth one. Fourth solution. The fourth solution you can take likewise. Suppose if I am taking x is equals to, put x is equals to 1 by pi. जो मैं उस टाइम पर डायरेक्टली जम्बल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए, इसीलिए आई हैव टेकन नाउ 1 by pi here. So pi into 1 upon pi plus y is equals to 9. So pi will get cancelled, means we have done division here, plus y will remain. So y is equals to 9. Got it? When you are substituting 1 upon pi value, at that time you are getting 9. So x value is 1 upon pi and that of y value is 9. Got it? So this is the another solution of a equation. Is the solution of an equation. Understood? It is as simple as like this. We can solve that question number 2. That of the second one I have taken. Similarly, we will do for the third one. Right? So x is equals to 4y. Let us see. Now what we will do in this case, see here it is as simple as, means what we will do that let us put only y value, because x is the single it is given, it is not attached with any coefficient. That's why we will take only y value so that we will easily get x value. Got it? So put y is equals to 0. So let us put, so x value what we will get, 4 into 0. So x is equals to 4 zeros are 0. So when we put y equals to 0, so x also got 0. So x 0 0 is the solution of equation of an equation. Now y equals to 0 किया है. अब let us take y is equals to 1. Put y is equals to 1. After taking 1, you can take minus 1, right? Or you can take 1 by 4. Likewise, you can take. So x is equals to 4 into 1. So x is equals to 4 ones are 4. So when we put 1, that time when we put 4, that of the x value is 4, the y value is 1. Means you can put any one, just have to see carefully which value we will put so that it becomes simpler for us to solve, right? Now y is equals to 1 we have done, is the solution of an equation. Got it? Now y is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to 4 into minus 1. So we have got here minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 1. While writing, please take care that we always write x value first and then y value. So is the solution of an equation. Right? Third value I got. Now fourth one we will find out. Let us have y is equals to 2. Right? So y equals to 2. So x is equals to 4 into 2. So x is equals to 8 we got. Right? So 8 and 2 is the solution of an equation. Understood this question? How to solve? Let us see now the third question, that of check which of the following solutions of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. So let us see one by one. So here we have what? This is the equation. for this equation we are going to check it out which is the solution of the equation or not. So let us see that of put. Now this 4 represent what? X value. So x is equals to 4 and that of y is equals to 0. So let us write this equation. X minus 2y is equals to 4. What we will do? X value 4 and y value 0. So x we will write 4 and minus 2 into y value is 0 equals to 4. So 4 minus 2 into 0, answer is what? 0 equals to 4. Now see here, 4 equals to 4 means both the sides we got equal. That's why what? We will write 4, 0 is the solution of an equation x minus 2y is equals to 4. Similarly, we will go for fourth one, root 2 and 4 root 2. Fourth one is root 2 and 4 root 2. What? Here we will have that of put x is equals to root 2 and y is equals to 4 root 2. Understood this one? Always the first one represent x value and another for is y value. So wherever x is there, so first of all we will write the equation is equals to 4. You can solve in LHS and RHS way also. So x value root 2 minus 2 into that of 4 root 2 equals to 4. Now root 2 we will keep as it is. 2 4s are 8. Root 2 is equals to 4. Now root 2 here we don't have means 1. So 8 minus 1 is what? Minus 7 root 2 equals to 4. Are they equal? Yes. Are they equal? No. That's why I have given here stroke. So we will write here is not a solution of an equation. Root 2 and 4 root 2 is not a solution of an equation. Understood this one? How to solve that question number 3. Now we will see that of the question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 is the solution of the equation. Means already it is given. Those are the solution of the equation. Right? So that equation is what? That of 2x plus 3y is equals to k. This is an equation. Here x is equals to 2, putting 1. Let us see. Let us put over here 2 into that of 2 because x value is 2 and in between we have multiply sign, underline it, plus 3 into 1, underline it, equals to k. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3, plus sign equals to k. 4 plus 3 is what? 7 equals to k. So that is what we have. K is equals to 7 is the value or value of a k. Got it this one? So in this way we have completed exercise 4.1 and 4.2. To solve remaining sums from this exercise and solve all these questions simultaneously along with me, right? So if you have any doubt, just ask me later on. Thank you.